guys, and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to show you how you can reduce your under eye darkness and wrinkles and under eye bags with a very simple DIY. You just need 2 ingredients. It's very simple, very easy, not much effort at all, and perfect for lazy girls. So yeah, please keep watching. Okay, so the first ingredient is potato juice. Mine has turned a little dark because I left it out for a very long time. Now, you don't need a lot, okay? You will just need not even half of the potato. So like I said, you will not even need half of it. You will need very little. Make it fresh every time you use it. You can either grind it in your grinder or कद्दूकस को क्या बोलते हैं? What is that thing? The thing that you use for coconut and other stuffs. Yeah, use that thing and then squeeze out the juice. And the next thing you will need is coffee. You can use any coffee powder. You can also use instant coffee. But these 2 ingredients together really help reduce the fine lines and darkness under your eyes. So I'm just going to mix these 2 and I'm going to come back. Now here I just cut 1 cotton pad into halves like this. And if you don't have cotton pad, you can use tissue. If you don't have tissue, you can use any kitchen roll, kitchen paper. If you don't have that also, then just buy some tissue, okay? So all you're going to do is, this is going to be a little runny, and you know, you can use this mostly at night. So you're just going to soak the tissue and take out all the excess from the cotton, and you are going to place this under your eyes. Now do this at night when you're going to sleep. That way your eyes will get rest, but you're just going to place this around your eyes like this. It is going to run, that's why you need to take out the excess amount. And the same thing you are going to do with the other one. Don't get it too close to your eyes. You don't want to irritate your eyes, though this is not going to like burn your eyes or anything, but we don't want to irritate it. And you're going to do the same thing on the other side. Now this does look scary, but it works really well. Just pat it down onto your skin, and that's it. Like, go to sleep for about 20-30 minutes until this completely dries and your skin gets the chance to absorb it. Leave it on, and once you leave it on, we can wash it off or wipe it off with some warm water and then go in with an eye cream. So I'm just going to leave this on my skin for some time and then be back. It looks scary, you know, like you're some zombie. Once you've removed it off, the coffee is going to stay in your eyes. Now if you want, you can also use this on top of your eyes, but make sure that your eyes are closed. I'm just going to wipe off whatever leftover residue is there. At this point, if you want, you can go in with whatever eye creams that you prefer, but it is very important to use eye creams after a certain age. You will need it. I'm 27 now and I like eye creams that are really hydrating. I've been using one for quite some time now. It's from Biotique Bio Almond Soothing and Nourishing Eye Cream. I have like an Instagram post on it. So I'm just going to wait for my under eyes to dry off, and then I'm going to apply the eye cream. So try this routine for about 7 days, and I'm guaranteeing you that you will see a difference. Now there's no point if you are doing all these things but you're not sleeping well, you're not getting proper rest, and if you're stressing out too much, then you're not going to see a result. So stop being on your phone late night without mommy knowing. No boy is worth your sleep, and no boy is worth getting dark circles. So make sure that you sleep really well, that you are not stressing too much, and you will definitely see an improvement with the darkness and the wrinkles around your eyes. And if you are above 25, then I would suggest you to start using some kind of under eye cream. It will be really helpful. I really like this because for me, my under eyes and eyelids are really dry, and I like this. It doesn't matter if it doesn't have any brightening effect or any lightening effect to it. It doesn't really matter to me. But if you want something that will brighten and lighten your under eye area, then there are a lot of creams in the market. You can try one. I personally like this, so please try your routine. And before I forget, on my lips I'm wearing this Glamgirlz matte lip in 06. These are my favorite at the moment. I have a bunch of colors and I really like using this. This reminds me a lot of the Lakme 9 to 5 matte mousse lip and cheek colors, but this is even more matter and it's very light in nature. It makes your lips look really plump, and you see the color payoff is amazing. In fact, I have a lot of colors in this. Let me just bring them and show you guys. See, I have all these colors. They are very inexpensive. The only thing is they do take few seconds to dry on your lips. They have a very thick creamy consistency, so it does take a while to dry on your lips. But once it dries, it's completely matte and it feels really light, and they have a good color range, so I absolutely love it, and they're absolutely inexpensive. I will leave the links to this in the description box if you guys want to check it out. But like I said, the color payoff of all these colors is really good, and they have a variety of shades that will be perfect for Indian skin tone. So I will leave the links to this in the description box. You guys can check it out. I also like this 12 and 15. Very nice colors. This is almost like a dark purpley color, and this is a very nice dark nude on me, and I absolutely love these shades, and I've been wearing this a lot lately because they feel really light on your lips. So if you guys liked today's video, then please like and subscribe, and I will meet you guys in my next video. I will leave all the links to these products in the description box. You can check it out, and I will meet you guys in my next video. Until then, bye.